Want to turn deal hunting into real Amazon profits? Here's how you can use Slickdeals and the OA Challenge to make that happen in just 2 weeks. The OA Challenge is a 14-day live training program by Christopher Grant that walks you step by step through online arbitrage, buying real discounted products and flipping them on Amazon for profit. You'll get lifetime video access, live coaching, and they even offer a 14-day money-back guarantee if you are not satisfied. You'll learn how to scan slick deals quickly, spot trending discounts, and clearance alert. Then you'll see exactly how to calculate profitability, Amazon fees, shipping, and margins. Plus live training sessions to teach you tools like Kipa, methods of sourcing, and browser extensions to scale your sourcing fast. Instead of guesswork, you're shown how to pick winning deals, list smart, and capture that Amazon buybacks, all while minimizing risk. It's perfect for beginners or experienced sellers alike. If you're serious about building a profitable Amazon sourcing stream, join the OA Challenge now via link below. Hit that link in the description, enroll today, and let's crush this arbitrage journey.